Good morning, good afternoon, good evening from anywhere you are watching this video from. If you are just watching for the first time, make sure you click on the like button, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification to get access to all these premium tips that I share on this channel. So today I want to show you guys how to get access to Canva invite link. So I will make it. I don't want the video to be too long. So let's go into the steps. So the first thing is to go to this channel. If you go to this channel, justpremium.com, you can join our Telegram channel here so that you can get free access to latest tips, how to get some premium accounts for free. So I'll drop the link to this channel in the comment section. So today, if you want to get a Canva invite link, just go to this website. Just go to this particular website, this kettlespeed.com. On this site, you can get access to free premium access, Udemy courses, Udemy coupon codes, tips, and some other tech related stuff on this website. So let's wait for it to load. So when you get to this website, you will see join us on Telegram. Just click on it. You'll be able to join the Telegram channel for this website. So come here and search for Canva. As you can see how to use Canva to create and build your CV, how to use Canva to create and build your CV and portfolio, complete advanced Canva video editing for social media. This is Udemy coupon codes. How to generate AI videos on Canva step by step. So just come here to this free Canva invite link. So once you come to this page, you can just read through the content. You scroll down to the end. You can join the Telegram channel through this place. Then how to use. If you want to use this particular access, you need to watch this tutorial. And if you want to access the invite link too, you need to watch this tutorial to understand how to locate this Canva invite link. So just click on join. Once you click on join, after watching the video here, you will get access to this Canva invite link. So let me try to pause the video and go to the last page because of the length of this video. So this is the final stage to get access to the invite link after going through some process. If you watch the video I showed you earlier, you will get access to the account. So as you can see, this is showing inviting on board here. That means we are under account invite link. As you can see, you have accepted the team's invite. So that's how to get access to this Canva invite. Thank you. If you're just watching my video for the first time, make sure you like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your notification to get notified each time I publish new content. Thank you.